Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us, and the hadith is in Sahih Muslim, that Iblis, he sets his throne on the water every single morning. Every day in the morning, Iblis sets his throne, his arsh, his place where he sits on the water, and then he sends his army to tempt mankind. Tatra, one group after the other. And the one who is nearest to him is the one who can cause the most severe damage to mankind. That will be the closest person to him. So at the end of the day, they all come back, all this army of shayateen, they all come back and report to Iblis what did they do during the day. So they would say, I have done such and such, kada wa kada. And Iblis will reply and say, you have done nothing. Under kada wa kada, under such and such, a shaitan will come and say, Ya Iblis, today I made this person drink alcohol. You have done nothing, Iblis will answer. Another shaitan will come and say, Ya Iblis, I made so and so gamble. You have done nothing. Iblis will answer, Ya Iblis, I made so and so commit adultery. I made so and so kill his brother. You have done nothing. Look at all these major sins. And Iblis keep answering every single one of them, you have done nothing. Until one of the shayateen comes and says, today I did not leave so and so until I separated him from his wife. Iblis will get very happy, and he will bring him, that shaitan, close to him, and he will put a crown on his head, and in the hadith it says he embraces him, he hugs him. Iblis hugs the shaitan that separate the husband from the wife. Iblis on a daily basis hugs the shaitan that ruin homes. My brothers and sisters, look at the other stuff. They are all kaba'ir. They are all major sins. And Iblis kept on saying, you have done nothing, and the talaq, the divorce, is halal. And he says that is the best thing you did. Why? Because when the divorce takes place, the family is broken, and that will lead to the society to be shattered and problems with the children.